That'll load.
James, watch your left. Make sure you get flank.
Yeah. Oh, there's your ass. Show it a little bit more. Okay, right.
Yeah, I see him.
There we go. That's feeding now. That's really, yeah, pretty good cover considering.
Pump that guy up right there.
I'm on it. Got the dude in the green.
He did?
No. He's still there though. I think the left got pretty good cover from us.
Yeah, we dominate the pretty much the whole entire center of the field. Hey guys, 1 minute.
That in the tan mask right behind him. Loading.
Yep, covered.
I see you. Come on. There you are.
Oh my god, dude, that's bullshit. You hit that guy. He just jumped down again.
Actually, from the US bunker, we got pretty good field of
Yeah,
fire.
we've got pretty much the whole field covered.
Oh, I got him. Okay. Saw him with his hands up.
Okay, good. Ryan, you want to push up? Left side, right there.
Oh, I got him. It's all. Lay it on, pour it on. Center. Okay, left guy's behind the wall.
Right side. Green guy's still back there.
Okay, I see him. 10 that.
Ryan, you feel like moving or you feel like keeping this area?
I think we got a good field of fire there. Why would we compromise it? Center by the bunker.
Yeah, I see him.
Brown mask. Ah, loading. Stand back up. Watch that brown bastard right there.
Got him. Good shot.
Okay, what else could we hit here?
Going right. Hand mask, going right.
I got a guy. I'm funneling him right there.
We need to move up. We need to help there.
Okay.
Yeah, you want to stay here and there?
Yeah, I'll stay here and I'll take top shots of opportunity. Jordan, call him out as you see him. 12's clear, Jordan. Jordan, I'm getting a lot of the fire from the left-hand side. Left-hand side back, possibly by the school bus. 4 minutes left in the game! 4 minutes! One's down, one's down. Definitely back left, definitely back left.
Oh, I got that guy.
Okay, Jordan, I got eyes on. You see that? Jordan, you see that cinder block with the tube coming out of it? Left side? There's got one directly behind that. Positive.
One right, one good right.
I got eyes on him. Worry about your 50-yard line and your left.
Let him out, let him out. Good? 2 minutes left in the game. 2 minutes.
Let's advance a little.
Oh. Team needs to stay right there. Stay right there.